Joining us now is Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. Dr. Sarma, you are busy campaigning for Tripura elections, and in your state, your police is busy apprehending people who have cases against them of child marriage. It has already created ripples across the country. Your drive, it has completed 4 days. How do you plan to now keep so many people who have been arrested in several cases? We are told you're opening up temporary jails as well.
You see, idea is not to keep them in jail. Idea is to show a demonstrative action that society is against child marriage. We have started clamping down. Our crackdown continues till we achieve the objective of demonstrative action. So we have identified 4,000 cases, 8,000 accused, out of which around 4,000 are elderly citizens. We'll let them go with a notice, but we'll arrest at least 3,000 to 4,000 accused, and I think that will fulfill the objective of demonstrative action. But once demonstrative action is over, we'll start working on preemptive action. We have already appointed child marriage prohibition officer. They will keep us feeding with information. The moment we come to know about such incident, our police will take immediate action along with other rehabilitation program.
You're talking about demonstrative action. There have been also a bit of critic about the way police went about arresting people, because there were other provisions of sending notices. Different lawyers have been pointing out there has been a Supreme Court guideline also that notices have to be served.
I mean, on POCSO Act, there is no question of sending notice. We have examined the legal provision. Police has acted in accordance with the law. Police has not violated any provision of law. When there is an allegation of POCSO Act violation, no notice is required. You can straight away arrest the accused. I mean, whatever has said, I respectfully differ with their views.
We also have been at ground zero. There have been a lot of arrests outside many police stations. We saw the family members waiting. Many of them, they did admit that there was child marriage and they pleaded ignorance. A lot of affected families are saying that our only bread earner is behind the bars. How do we sustain ourselves?
I mean, in a case of murder, if the only bread earner become the accused of murder, will police not arrest him? So in our law, the word sympathy cannot be exercised by police. Sympathy can be exercised only by a court of law. I think whatever they have said before you, that can be a good pleading before the court of law. But in our jurisprudence, police has no right to show sympathy. Whenever they came to know about an offense which has been committed and it is a cognizable offense, police has to take action. Otherwise, police will keep on counting on sympathy, where sympathy lies. So police doesn't have that jurisdiction. That jurisdiction is only with the court of law, and I have no problem if the court of law enlarge them out of sympathy. But as far as police is concerned, they will act in accordance with law and without sympathy.
But the government is going to provide some sort of help to the people who are left without bread earners.
Whoever has any family issue, Assam government has a lot of welfare scheme. Our standing instruction with DC that if anybody is facing any critical condition like poverty, you interfere. That instruction we have issued 1 month back.
So you are going forward with your aim of making Assam child marriage free till by 2026?
No, we have to. I mean, this is the minimum we can give to our girl child. Do not be sympathetic. I have seen certain media houses, I have seen some people who become extra sympathetic. Do not be that. Today, girl has been forced to push to the police station only by their family member. No girl who has faced the sexual assault at the age of 12 or 13 will cry for that so-called husband. But the family must have forced her, and that is what my understanding is.
Thanks a lot.